Want to turn your messiest thoughts into a beautifully organized mind map in just seconds? Today, we're looking at Whimsical and how you can use its powerful AI to brainstorm and map out your ideas effortlessly in 2026. Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever felt overwhelmed trying to organize your thoughts, plan a project, or design a workflow, you are going to love this. Whimsical is an infinite canvas whiteboard designed for product builders, creators, and teams. It's built to help you design and document your ideas using diagrams, wireframes, and real-time collaboration. But the real game changer we're focusing on today is Whimsical AI, which lets you generate mind maps and brainstorm concepts almost instantly. So how does it work? Once you sign up on whimsical.com, you get access to an incredibly fast, clean workspace. To create an AI mind map, you simply start with a central idea. From there, you can use the Whimsical AI tool to automatically generate branches, expand on your topics, and organize complex information in a matter of seconds. Beyond just mind maps, Whimsical gives you flowcharts, drag-and-drop wireframes to shape your user interface, and multiplayer editing so you and your team can collaborate in real time. You can also leave comments right where the work happens, upload images, embed videos, and even use version history to restore older versions of your boards. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, Whimsical is incredibly fast, highly visual, and minimizes the clutter you find in other heavy design tools. It keeps you in a state of flow. As for user reviews, we want to be completely transparent. We don't have a large pool of external user review data to share with you today. However, looking at the platform's design, a potential drawback is that because it is tailored heavily toward product builders and teams, solo users looking for a simple, bare-bones text notepad might find the infinite canvas and diagramming tools to be more than they actually need. Our final take? If you want a fast, visual, and AI-powered way to bring your ideas to life and collaborate with others, Whimsical is absolutely worth trying. Best of all, you can get started for free to test out the AI mind maps and diagrams for yourself. Head over to whimsical.com to check it out. If you found this quick tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more easy tech guides, and let us know in the comments how you plan to use AI mind mapping. See you in the next video.